Shahad. This is feedback for Shahad on her W1 essay. First of all, delete these first zeros. Just use the 5 last numbers. All the big words in the title need to be capital. This is a much better intro so far, but you're missing the thesis, which is major. If you miss the thesis, you're going to fail for sure. So here it should say something like, first you give a sentence that says, looking at all these effects of car accidents, it's important to look at the causes, then period, and then this essay will focus on the main 2 causes of car accidents, which are holding your cell phone and drunk driving. Okay, this needs to be deleted. This needs to be is accidents. Car accident is holding a cell phone. And here you start with, for example, I would start with something like the first reason why people hold their cell phone, or first way that holding a cell phone can lead to car accidents is not paying attention. Full stop. For example, when a driver holds a cell phone, they're not paying attention to the road, and as a result, they end up, hitting another car. Another reason why how cell phone can lead to accidents is not seeing the lights. For example, so you hear how I wrote that? That's exactly how this should flow. Give a concluding sentence at the end that says something like, not paying attention to the road because of cell phones leads to many accidents. This needs to be deleted. Shouldn't be a space here. The second major cause of accident, drunk driving. Again, much better than the first time. You gave me a topic sentence here, so that's good. But you need more. Exactly the same thing that I said here, applied here as well. Give me a reason, example, reason, example, reason, example. And here, for sure, you need to change this. This needs to be reversing your thesis, which would say something like drunk driving and holding onto and using the cell phone while driving are 2 of the main causes of accidents. Full stop. I advise, and then go into your advice. Okay? Make those changes, upload into week 5, and print it out and bring it on Thursday.